Good Monday morning, everyone. October 20th, 2025. The word for today is coming from Psalms chapter 32, verses 8, 9, 10, and 11, which says, I will instruct thee and teach thee in the way which thou shalt go. I will guide thee with mine eye. Be not as the horse or as the mule, which have no understanding, whose mouth must be held with a bit and a bridle, lest they come near unto thee. Many sorrows shall be to the wicked, but he that trusts in the Lord, mercy shall compass him about. Be glad in the Lord and rejoice, ye righteous, and shout for joy, all ye that upright in heart. Watch out for those pretty stars tonight, everybody, and enjoy the day God gave you. Essie.